In a major development in Sushant Singh Rajput's case, Rhea Chakrabarty's bail plea has been rejected and she has been taken into 14 days judicial custody by the NCB. Rhea had applied for bail after being arrested by the NCB and was presented before a judge via video conference. However, the judge rejected her bail plea and she will be taken into judicial custody by the NCB. After her arrest, Rhea was taken to a hospital where she tested negative for the pandemic-related virus. As per the remand copy, there are allegations that Rhea is part of a banned substance syndicate based on her confessions and the statements made by Dipesh Sawant, Souvik Chakrabarty and Samuel Miranda. Rhea had recorded her statement earlier and made many revelations that differed from her earlier claims of never having consumed banned substances. Rhea has been charged under multiple sections of NDPS Act, and as per the remand copy, the statements of Samuel Miranda and Dipesh Sawant also allege that Sushant and Rhea sourced banned substances through them and also claim that both the actors were also responsible for managing the finances to pay for these purchases. Earlier in the day, Rhea recorded her statement at the NCB offices, and on the third day of interrogation, she made many statements that were a complete departure from her earlier claims. Some of her new admissions were: Number 1. Admitted to consuming banned substances. Rhea, who had admitted during an earlier interrogation that she purchased banned substances for Sushant Singh Rajput and procured them through her brother Souvik Chakrabarty, has now reportedly confessed to having consumed them as well, but only on the behest of Sushant Singh Rajput. Number 2. Used banned substances with Souvik and Sushant. While she earlier said that she used tobacco and alcohol, Rhea has now allegedly confessed to also having taken banned substances along with Sushant and her brother Souvik, who is already under arrest along with Samuel Miranda after a dealer in banned substances alleged that he knew Souvik. Number 3. Banned substances were only for Sushant and friends. Rhea had earlier claimed that she had seen Jaya Saha and Shruti Modi consume banned substances, but now has allegedly changed her claims and said that the banned substances were only for Sushant and his friends. She has also been questioned by the ED about siphoning off funds from Sushant's accounts, but the authorities found no direct transfer of the allegedly missing 15 crore rupees into Rhea's account. The CBI has also continued to question her with regards to the actor's demise and the events leading up to that day.